Hello, welcome to Math Made Simple. In this session, we are going to find the value of x in the given equation. Essentially, to solve this problem, you need to apply the principle of indices that states a to power m plus n is equal to a to power m multiplied by a to power n. In this case, 3 to power 2x plus 1 is the same as 3 power 2x multiplied by 3 to power 1. In this case, you have 3 to power x plus 1 is the same as 3 to power x multiplied by 3 to power 1. Rewriting the equation, you have 3 to power 2x multiplied by 3 plus 9 is equal to 4. Open the bracket. 3 to power x multiplied by 3 to power 1. Close the bracket. Proceed. You'll notice that you have 3 to power 2x here and 3 to power x here. So in this particular case, I want you to take note of the fact that a to power m n is the same as a to power n m. So we interchange these two. You'll have 3 to power x multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 plus 9 is equal to 4 into brackets 3 to power x multiplied by 3 to power 1. Therefore, 3 to power x is common. So we say let 3 to power x be equal to y. We replace 3 to power x by value of unknown value of y. So you'll have y squared multiplied by 3 plus 9 is equal to 4 into brackets y multiplied by 3. Close the bracket. Simplifying further, you'll have 3y squared plus 9 is equal to 12y. This becomes a quadratic equation. So what you have is 3y squared minus 12y plus 9 is equal to 0. All these are divisible by 3. Divide through by 3, you simplify the equation. You'll have y squared minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. So you have two numbers. You need to find two numbers whose product is 3 and sum is -4. Our two numbers are -3 and -1. Applying these two numbers in here, you have y squared minus y minus 3y plus 3 is equal to 0. Factoring out y, you'll have y into brackets y minus 1, close the bracket, minus 3 into brackets y minus 1, close the bracket, is equal to 0. So you pick this one and one of these factors. So you'll have 3y minus 1, close the bracket, into brackets y minus 3 is equal to 0. So the solutions for y are y minus 1 is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, or y minus 3 is equal to 0, therefore y is equal to 3. However, we are not interested in the value of y. Remember, we said y is equal to 3 to power x. Our interest is to solve for x. Therefore, we introduce the values of y here. You have for 1, you have 1 is equal to 3 to power x. But remember, any number raised to power 0 is equal to 1. For instance, a to power 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, 3 to power 0 is equal to 3 to power x. Therefore, the first value of x is equal to 0. What about the second value of x? You have 3 is equal to 3 to power x. This is automatically raised to power 1. 3 is common, so the value of x is equal to 1. Therefore, your answer or the values of x are 0 and 1. Please, if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment. We also request you to consider subscribing to this channel, share this content, and let's meet in the next session. See you soon. Bye-bye.